Dominican spaghetti with salami, Espaguetis Dominicanos con salchichon, is a creamy, savory pasta dish that captures the essence of Dominican cuisine. A fusion of Italian pasta with Dominican ingredients like salami and evaporated milk, it reflects the Caribbean's vibrant cultural mix. To prepare, cook 1 pound of spaghetti in 10 cups of water with 1/2 tablespoon of salt until al dente, reserving ½ cup of pasta water. In a large pan, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or butter. Sauté half sliced red onion, 1 small green bell pepper, and 1 small red bell pepper for 2 to 3 minutes until softened. Add 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of Dominican oregano, ½ teaspoon black pepper, ½ teaspoon ground annatto, optional, and ½ teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity of the sauce. Stir for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add 1 cup of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, and ½ cup evaporated milk. Simmer for 3 to 4 minutes to blend flavors. Stir in 1/4 cup sliced green olives and ½ pound sliced Dominican salami, or your choice of protein like ham, chicken, shrimp, or tofu. Toss in the cooked pasta, adjusting with reserved pasta water to achieve the desired sauce consistency. Let the pasta absorb the sauce for another 2 to 3 minutes. Garnish with 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro or parsley for a fresh finish. Serve with traditional sides like tostones, twice fried plantains, avocado slices, or Dominican bread, pan de agua. Pair with refreshing beverages like morir soñando or jugo de chinola, passion fruit juice. This dish is ideal for family meals or gatherings, blending savory, creamy, and slightly sweet Dominican flavors. Sabor puro.